If you want to change your Shopify theme without losing content, then here's what you're going to do. First, go to Online Store from the Sales Channels section, and then you click on that. Once you're on the online store page, you will see the themes at the bottom. So you have here your free themes. Now what you're going to do is you're just going to click on add theme on any theme that you want to get added to your store. And then after that, you can just click on customize, and then it will allow you to customize these theme. Now your products, pages, and collections won't be deleted when you change themes. They stay in your store data. So what you're just gonna have to do is you're just going to click on publish once you're done customizing and adding your um products right here. So first, let's just click on customize, and then you will see here your product will also be added already, like this one. And then you're just gonna have to click on publish and then hit on save, and then this page will automatically be your theme. So it don't worry, because you would not lose content from here. So before publishing, just click on customize on the new theme and rebuild your homepage, and that's it. That is how you can change Shopify theme without losing content. Once you're happy again, just click on publish. I recently created a 1 hour long step-by-step Shopify tutorial which can help you set up your store in no time. If you want to learn more, click here to watch the full video, and I'll see you there.